Hi, my name is Sudhir Akkio, and welcome to this short video on how we can connect live data to Akkio to have up-to-date models at your fingertips that tie directly to your business. So I have a flow here that's connected directly to a live Snowflake table. And what I'd like to do is to create a machine learning model, in this case to predict customer churn, and deploy the model and predictions back into Snowflake. So what I've already done is created a machine learning model. And with a single click, I can deploy back into Snowflake by selecting my model and the data that I want to predict against. And to do this, I can update deployment and run the deployment. In addition to Snowflake, we also have other services that we directly integrate with, such as Salesforce, Google Sheets, Google BigQuery, and HubSpot, as well as deploy back into those same services. Thank you.